What's going on, guys? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we are back again for another weekly Watchers video. For those of you guys that don't know, we are in sunny South Florida, and this is bright in the morning, and we got the sun in our faces here. But we're going to be able to still go over this list because there is money to be made. If you don't know what the weekly Watchers watch list is, it's a watch list the snipers create every single Sunday afternoon with a list of stocks we believe have the most potential to make us money in the upcoming week. Now, we're not telling you to go out and buy all those stocks. The idea is for you to check out their resistance and support levels and then take advantage of them when you think the move is supposed to be made. To find this list is on our website or our mobile app under the watch list tab. So when you sign up, you actually get multiple tabs that help you consistently profit in the stock market. This today we're going to be going over is the watch list and the weekly watchers watch list. Now, every time we have the guy with the binoculars, and that's how you know it's the weekly watchers video. So the green watch list here, we actually do 2 daily watch lists as well as 1 weekly watch list. Every single day we come out with the watch list in the morning, and these are the stocks we're eyeing down for Tuesday morning. Then we come out with a watch list every single afternoon at 3 o'clock with more stocks to eye down to close out the day. And that's the sniper scope right there. But today we'll be going over that weekly watchers. And in the weekly watchers list today, we got OTC stocks and listed stocks. The bread and butter for the snipers have been the OTC market, and most of our profit comes from the OTC stocks, but the listed stocks have done us well lately. And Sniper Strati all the way in Greece right now, but we'll be working together on these weekly watchers next week. He's actually really good with the listed stocks. He's almost crossing over 100K in profit, and he plays mainly listed plays. So we'll be going over those a lot. And we've been able to bag plays together a lot lately. So let's keep up the hard work and let's keep tagging the bags, my man Strati and the rest of the sniper team. But let's go over the stocks that we're looking at this week and ones we could possibly profit on. And like I said, we always post this every Sunday afternoon for the team. And I'm going to post this on Tuesday for the video for all y'all to see. So some of these stocks have already made their move. This one is one that we actually took over the weekend. It has not made its move just yet, but we were able to profit $400 from it to take over the weekend. So to start Money Monday, we actually bought this one as it was breaking multi-month highs of 0.0029. The next Money Monday morning, it actually opened up at 332, 333, and we were able to get out at 30031. So a nice $400 profit on a partial fill there to start the day. This one is not out of the picture. Keep watching it. If it holds 0029, it can easily curl back up to these 52-week high levels that we're looking for it to do. Cvsi is a cannabis stock that has crazy runs in the past, so we know it has the potential to run. It got a very nice volume, the best volume of the year on Friday or on Thursday, and spiked very nicely on a first green day, up almost 100% on the day. The next day on Friday, it didn't follow up, and it actually didn't even have close to enough volume to follow up and sold all day. When it sold all day, it was able to hold 4.5. So now we wanted to base out at 4.5, get some support there, and then curl back around, back up towards that 635 multi-month high. The day it get back above 5.5 is the day we'll start to eye it back down. But we do need better volume than what we saw on Friday. Humble is one that we've been watching since last week. So this one was on the weekly watchers last week. It's an OTC Bitcoin related stock. It's dropped from 8.3 all the way down to 5 cent long-term support on 14 straight downward days. So that's crazy that it's still going down. Usually you see a momentum shift after we say 3 days, the odds are against your favor. This one's on 14 days. If it continues to hold 5 cents, we're looking for the day it gets above 5.4, and that's when we'll try to take advantage of it. This next one is another former OTC penny stock runner and one that's all the way down to 1 cent. So all the way down to 1 cent when it used to be a 4 or 5 cent stock earlier in the year. Woo, it's getting brighter in Florida. Now we're looking for it to hold that 1-1 area that it was able to create support the past couple of days and possibly get back above 1.3. And then if it gets back above 1.3, we could see it get the push to 1.6. But we do need to see volume. The volume did lighten up a lot here, and volume is key when day trading. BMXi and BMIX are the 2 last OTC stocks. You just switch the X and the I up and you got the same stock. But different patterns here. The first one is one that we really like and probably our favorite one of this weekly watchers list, and that's BMXi. And we like it because it's a brand new stock. It recently got that huge pump that a lot of stocks need to get people attracted to it and get the volume going. And now we're getting the dump. And after the dump, we usually get a really nice bounce. So that's what we're looking for, is that really nice bounce. This stock went from 48 cents to 13 cents in 5 days, and 9 cents is the original breakout. If we can get back to that 10 cents, 9 cents area next week, we're going to be looking to swing this thing to possibly push back all the way to 15s and maybe even up into the 20s. BMIX is our last one, and this is one we actually bagged last week. We had a nice $800 here in BMIX, and we only got a partial fill. So we got 5K and we made about $800. So 15% nice win there on this first green day play. And now we're looking forward to consolidate there. It broke past 1.5, and now we want to see it hold that 1.514 area and then get above 1.6 and possibly come back up to that 1.88. But great work already last week on BMIX snipers. Now let's jump into the listed stocks. And the listed stocks are nice because there's no commission here. You're usually a lot easier to size in the OTC stocks because the volume is a lot better. So that's the benefit of the listed stocks. The bad part I don't like about it, the level twos are very, very hard to read compared to the OTC stocks. And I feel like the patterns in the OTC stocks are a lot cleaner when you get to eye them down compared to these listed stocks. But we have made some nice bags recently, and we're going to continue to strike. The first one is GOVX, GOVX. This is a monkeypox play that we've been watching since it spiked to $4 to start August. Now it's completely come down to close August, all the way back down to 120. If it comes down to $1, long-term support, key spot, the $1 to penny stock spot, we'll be looking to possibly play that first green day. AMC, everyone knows about the famous movie theater out there that stayed alive after the pandemic because of the crazy fan base they have and the short squeezes that happened recently the past 2 years. Now the stock is getting beat up, bringing 52-week lows back in the picture here, coming all the way from 27.50 to 8.96. But they did this after releasing a preferred dividend share. So now there's a new stock out there for AMC, and that's APE. So if you did own AMC, you do own APE now. So that's something that was really beneficial, I guess, for shareholders in a way. Now you own a stock called APE. No one really liked that in the AMC stock world, and the stock just continues to drop. It's on 7 straight red days, and now we're just looking for a first green day play here in AMZE. HLBZ is like Humble. Another one had on the list last week and still hasn't made that bounce. It's coming down from 240 all the way down to 70 cents on 10 straight red days. So there's a good chance we can see a first green day very soon. 65 cents is that spot we're looking for it to bounce off of, and it's getting down to that spot. So let's see if we can get that next week. And SAVA is a higher priced OTC stock that has been consolidating above $24 after hitting $34.87 2 weeks ago. If it continues to hold 24, we'll be looking for the day it gets back above $30 and then possibly pushes back to that $34.87 multi-month high it created 2 weeks ago. This wasn't a $100 stock earlier this year, and it does have potential to run even though it's higher price. So that's why we have it on this list. And last but certainly not least is a swing play that we decided to swing. The snipers aren't too much swingers, but every once in a while we'll try to swing something. And this one looked really appetizing to us last week, and that's Shopify. We're checking out the first green day play here. It's came all the way down to $32 long-term support after being at $40 not even 8 days ago. And now we're just looking for it to hold that $32 and create that first green day to get back to 35. Why 35? It's because that's the call option we decided to buy last week with this week's expiration. So we do need this to happen in this upcoming week, and we do want it to happen as soon as possible so we can grab a nice bag there on a Shopify first green day. And that is our weekly watchers list, guys. Like I was saying, don't go out and buy everything. Set alerts up. Sniper Nick actually said a really good video on how to set alerts up on TD Ameritrade. And that's what we like to do to catch these stocks on the rips and the dips. So make sure to set alerts and be ready to tag bags when the moment does come. If you guys would like these watch lists every single day or the weekly watch list every Sunday, we'd love to have you on the team. Check us out at thestocksnipers.com or on the Apple Store or Google Play under Stock Snipers. Hope to see you on the team soon. And if not, hope you guys tag some bags with us on one of these plays. We'll actually be in Atlanta this weekend, and Labor Day is on Monday. So we have the day off, but we'll see you back next week on Tuesday, ready to snipe some stocks. Stock Sniper Mike out.